about 15,000 years ago to the present is a very different one from what you've heard in this narration up to now. We've told you of the incredible forces of nature that created this landscape and the Colorado River. Now the story shifts its focus and becomes one that's about humans and their efforts to coexist with and ultimately harness the river.
That's not a mountain.
Huh?
That's not a mountain. It's a big hard hill.
Oh. What do you think they are under the trees?
Mountains.
Big dark hills with trees on them.
No, rocks.
This is a big rock.
Bushes. Grass.
Before astute businessmen realized that the Colorado River might provide a faster and easier way.
Yeah, I can see it after I take the pictures.
How would you like to do that? That would be fun.
I can't find it.
They're not swimming. No, they're floating.
While Johnson had proved it was possible to navigate the Colorado to the north, in the 1860s, gold was discovered at El Dorado Canyon and provided a reason for steamboats to go farther north. Gold fever to gold, and mines and settlements were made up and around the river. Gold was found in places like Searchlight and in the Griggs Basin on what is now the upper end of Lake Mead. Steamer operations saw a great surge in
Look out.
activity.
Go look out the back. Or you can find here.
Oh, I can do that.
Within a few years. Deposited by the overflows created rich farmland, and the overflows could be directed by canals into areas like California's Imperial Valley, providing irrigation. But it could also be incredibly destructive. In 1905, it overflowed and flooded the Imperial Valley for 2 years, leaving behind the 300 square mile salted sea as a reminder of its force. As agriculture and development grew along. About the recreation area and its many offerings.
At Hoover Dam.
Found them down here on semi-trucks. They unloaded them, they just stacked them right on top of one another, just like Legos. Come in and put the cross beams on top. You can see they're bringing the arch up from Arizona side and Nevada. Looks like to me they're going to try to meet in the middle. That should be a pretty good idea, huh?
It's a good
Now
song.
get into
This reminds me of a attraction at an amusement park called Yogi's Cave.
Those things get splashed around in Disneyland.
It's a good place to be hiding when it's hot upstairs.
It's hot upstairs.
Yes, there's over 110 this year right now. That means if you don't drink a lot of water outside, you're gonna collapse. We don't want that to happen. Watch your steps while doing it. I'm gonna show you in the diagram exactly what we are. Right now we are right here, we're inside this diversion tunnel. But we're also standing right on top of this pipe, and that is a pipe that brings in water from a lake down to generators, the one we call penstock. And if you look on the window on the right-hand side, you can see the pipe out the window. Behind the dam, we have Lake Lee, but in front of dam, we have Lake Mojave. They're both the Colorado. The big difference is that here by the new dam on the Lake Mead side, the maximum that would be 520 feet deep. Here on Lake Mojave side is going to be about 60. So the water will enter the 4 intake towers by gravity, but we know the pipes are from 30 feet down to 13 feet. That's how we get the water to speed up to 60 miles an hour. The water was at the bottom of the shaft inside the generator where the turbine running is at a speed of 60 miles an hour. We have to make that shaft that weighs over 100 tons to spin 180 tons a minute. When that shaft is spinning, it is also moving over 800 tons of steel. Now, in order to build the dam, we didn't have any contact with the water. So the first thing they do is they build a coffer dam. A coffer dam is a wall about 100 feet high, rock, dirt, and stone. The Colorado is going to hit the coffer dam and then enter the 4 diversion tunnels. Then the water is going to come down below. But we don't want the water flow to come this way. So the next step is to build another coffer dam down below. Not 100 feet high, but about 65 feet. That's how they kept this entire area dry. And then by using a series of cableways that will cross the entire canyon wall, there will be already buckets of concrete. Once construction was accelerated, there was a bucket of concrete that weighed about 32,000 pounds every 78 seconds, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This was a continuous pour. Engineers told that the water pressure from the lake all the way down, please. Away from the doors. I got people behind you. All the way down. Once we get the second group inside here, then you can move around anywhere you want. I believe we got almost everybody inside. Now you can move around anywhere you want. This other way in is called then about a wing side. But we have a second plant called the Arizona wing side, and that one's located right behind me. So like right on top of them, so if the light is on, that means that it's an operation. First one, get another line. This was considered to be the largest hydropower plant in the world. In order to do all the heavy lifting of all this heavy machinery and equipment, we have to have very good cranes, and we have two of them. Well, the flag is that it's our first one. This second one is way down the end of the power plant. Each one of them is going to move along these metal tracks back and forth along the entire plant. Each one of them has a lifting capacity of 300 tons. So by using these cranes, we can lift up about 60 full-grown elephants all at the same time. Top of the dam where the cars are passing by, they'll be straight up this wall, 726 feet. That's how high the wall is from top to bottom. Thickness of the dam on the top is 45 feet thick. Bottom of the dam would be about 20 feet beyond this wall. And this is bigger than if you were to put 2 feet long.
Tail race, which here is actually the Colorado River. This is where the water drawn from hundreds of feet below the surface of Lake Mead spills out through the turbines and flows on downstream. Water temperature out of the turbines averages 53 to 55 degrees. You'll notice the roofs of both buildings appear to have wires coming out of them. This is called the takeoff structure. From the takeoff structure, the wires carry the electricity up and over the canyon walls at 230,000 volts.
Yeah.
Cantilever towers that
Hey,
support
Dad, they're halfway finished.
Thank you for visiting one of the top 10 construction achievements of the 20th century. Feel free to stay and take all the pictures you like. The next presentation on the Discovery Tour is located across the street at the flagpole. Welcome to the observation deck overlooking the world-famous Hoover Dam. From here, you have a spectacular panoramic view of Lake Mead.
Driving over it when it was almost to the top
Really?
of that white line over there, when the water was real
This
full.
side or the other
No,
side?
the other side.
This massive arch gravity structure contains 3,250,000 cubic yards of concrete, enough to build a 2-lane highway from San Francisco to New York City.
I wonder if they've actually had anyone stupid enough to climb up on that.
Probably. I wouldn't be surprised if people have actually jumped off.
Oh, I got a picture of each state's clock. I got a picture of each state's clock.
Yeah.
And that.
All the people in the cars stopping to look at all the tourists. Tourists.
One place I haven't been to is the Four Corners,
Oh, yeah.
which I hear is actually extremely boring, but they're still thinking about it, that you're supposed to go there.
You can stand in 4 states at the same time. Excuse me?
They're very like different.
Oh, yeah. stop to get pictures of that.
Stand right in front of it. That's okay. Huh? And there's water fountain right there.
Refills?
I still have some. I can't imagine it would be cold.
I don't care if it's cold. I just want to have it with me. Actually, it's pretty cool.
Is it? Must have it refrigerated.
There's a lot of people on horseback in Virginia.
You don't really see them all the time, but yeah. I have neighbors that have
The biggest
horses.
city is Phoenix is. You can drive down a busy street and there's people on horseback on the side of the road.
In addition to the functional aspects of the
Where is it? Is it that way? That black?
It must be. I'm going to zoom in on it when they move, and I'll be able to read it on the screen.
This really is beautiful. I know it's not where you used to, but for desert landscaping, it's really beautiful.
Oh, it is, yeah.
Oh my god, those baskets are well, if not, I gotta get a picture when I come back. Well, you have a picture, right? You can zoom
No,
up.
I couldn't read it though. People were back and forth, cars were back and forth.
Between the two towers. The river side of the river. That's it. That framework, what's on those inspectors.
Try and get a closer one.
I wonder how close we came earlier today to that,
I don't think you can go past those.
the white
buoy
things, yeah.
I'll put a picture of you holding Kathy over the wall.
No.
No? Sounds like that, right? Yeah.
We're in Arizona right now.
Yep. Looks a lot different from Nevada, right?
It does. I wouldn't even know where I am. Did you get those down at the bottom?
Go see if I can get it kind of washed out. Can't believe I haven't run out of batteries since we got here.
13 red and white stripes. These stripes represent the original 13 states. The blue bar uniting the shore